The next part of the front suspension is going to be the front stabilizer bar, or the sway bar. And before we install it, these also come from Caddy Daddy, and this is a reproduction. This is a part that will wear out on your car. It's probably gotten dry or completely returned to the earth. So what you're going to want to do is when they come, a brand new piece, you're going to want to split it open. There is a seam right there, so you can just use a razor blade and they should go right through there. Next, you have your steel bracket. I like to also put, it's going to be a nice tight fit. So once again, we've got a little bit of our soap.
Just slips right on when you got the soap.
The next part is going to be your link for the sway bar. This is made up of several pieces. It's like a big shish kebab. So you're going to have rubber bushings on the top and the bottom. And you're going to notice that they actually do have kind of a pitch and an angle, so they go together. So you just want to take note that they're going, and so they'll seat properly here. So let's go ahead and take these apart and go ahead and get this link in.